Hello and welcome to the revision of the ICT paper that was done in December 2022 by certified public accountants and certified secretaries. Question 1 reads, A. State 4 disadvantages of implementing information systems in an organization. Disadvantages of implementing information systems in an organization. The first disadvantage is cost. All right? The cost for hardware, software, infrastructure, training, and so on. The second disadvantage is resistance to change. Employees may resist such changes. Number 3 is security risks. 4, technical issues. So those are 4 disadvantages we are going to discuss in answering the first question. State 4 disadvantages of implementing information systems in an organization. This is question 1. Question 1. Disadvantages of implementing information systems in organizations. Number 1, cost. Cost. Implementing information systems can be expensive, involving costs for software, hardware, infrastructure, training, and maintenance. So organizations may need to allocate significant financial resources to acquire and maintain the necessary technology, which can be a strain on the organization, a strain on the budget of an organization. 2, resistance to change. Resistance to change. Implementing information system often requires changes in business processes and workflows. So employees may resist such changes, fearing job loss or even increased workloads. So resistance to change can slow down the implementation process and may even hinder the adoption and utilization of the new information system. Security risks. Information systems candidates stores and process sensitive data, making them vulnerable to security breaches such as hacking, data theft, and unauthorized access. And organizations need to invest in robust security measures as well as protocols to protect their systems and data from potential threats. 4, technical issues. Technical issues. Information systems can encounter technical challenges such as hardware and software failures, compatibility issues, system crashes, or even network disruptions. And these issues can result in downtime, reduced productivity, and frustration among users. So organizations may need to have proper technical support and contingency plans to address such issues effectively. So these are 4 challenges of implementing information system. 1, cost. 2, resistance to change. 3, security risks. 4, technical issues. 4 marks. That is part 1.